Hello students, today we are going to start our 8th chapter in Sanskrit and the name of the chapter is Sakshi Bhutah Manushyah. It means man as a witness. Sakshi Bhutah it means as a witness and Manushyah it means man. So the title is man as a witness. So let us begin with the introduction first. In this world, good and bad incidents happen at every place and every moment. Various objects existing on the earth in context with each other are becoming witnesses of these incidents. Non-living objects like stones, etc., and living beings like birds, animals, human beings have the chance to witness these happenings. So, in this world, something or the other is always happening. Sometimes accidents take place. The objects like stones that they are not capable of feeling or doing anything. The birds or beasts get scared and run away from the scene. Should a man not react in a different and better manner if he happens to be present there? Because of one's peculiarity, these witnessing objects play different role. Non-living objects like stone without doing anything becomes witness of any incident. Beasts like cow, etc. run away from place of accident and try to save themselves. Nothing else can be expected from both of them except this type of behavior. But man's situation is a little different from them, such as a person witnessing accident feels sorrow for the afflicted person. He also becomes active to help the victim and thus performs his duty. He also tries to learn a lesson from it. So generally most of the people hesitate to help a road crash victim because of fear of police harassment and legal hassles. Even then, we as a human being should carry out the threefold duty suggested in the lesson. We should be sensitive and sensible human beings, especially when our fellow human beings are afflicted by an accident. So nowadays, due to heavy traffic, many road accidents take place. In this situation, many things are expected from the eyewitness but they are not fulfilled. So it is the duty of a witness person that he should be ready to perform his duty. The lesson presented here in a dialogue form suggested the same. So in this lesson, Sunit and Punit rightly point out that man should not be a mere onlooker or a passive witness. Like a good human being, he should do whatever he can do to rescue and help out the victims. Now, let us begin our chapter. मार्गे घटमानायाः दुर्घटनायाः साक्षिणः के भवन्ति किं च ते आचरन्ति इति विषयम् अधिकृत्य पुनीतसुनीतौ परस्परं संवदतः. Punit and Sunit are talking with one another on the subject of who are the witnesses of an accident taking place in the street and what they do. Punit says, Bhratah, O brother, Marge kadachit durgatna api ghatanti. Sometime accidents also take place on the way. Tatra prayah, there mostly prastaradayo jad padarthah, gavadayah pashavah, manusyascha eti trayah sakshinah bhavanti. Three types of witnesses: inanimate things like stones, beasts like cows and human beings. Kim tvam janasi? Do you know? यत् घटितायाः दुर्घटनायाः संदर्भे एते त्रयो अपि भिन्नं भिन्नं कर्मं समाचरन्ति. How all these three act differently? Sunit says, न जानामि. I don't know. प्रथमं कथयतु यत् प्रस्तरादयः किं कुर्वन्ति. Please tell first what do the stones etc. do. Punit says, प्रस्तरादयस्तु अचेतनाः सन्ति, but the objects like stones are inanimate or non-living. ते स्वयं क्रियां कर्तुं समर्थाः न भवन्ति. They are not able to do anything by themselves. अतः ते तथैव तिष्ठन्ति. So they stay as they are. Sunit actually asked to Punit, सचेतनाः पशवः पक्षिणश्च किं कुर्वन्ति. Sunit says, what do beasts and birds who are living beings do? So in these lines, Samacharanti is the form of Vartaman Kal Anya Purush Bahuvachan and Prastaradayastu is the form of Bahuvrihi Samas. So here Sunit asked question to Puneet that sachetnaः पशवः पक्षिणश्च किं कुर्वन्ति? What do beasts and birds who are living beings do? Sunit asked to Puneet, what do beasts and birds who are living beings do? Puneet says, एते घटनायाः उत्थितात् ध्वनेः भयम् अनुभवन्ति. All this experience fear due to noise arisen by the accident. अतः घटनास्थले दूरे धावन्ति. So they run away from the place of an accident. Sunit says, Satyam vadati bhavan. What you say is right or absolutely true. Gavadayah pasavastu nirbuddhayah santi. But beasts like cow are dull. परंतु कश्चित् सबुद्धिः मानवो अपि यदि घटनास्थलात् दूरे धावति तर्हि पशुरेव सः. But if any man who has intelligence runs away from the place of accident, then he is surely a beast only. Puneet says, वस्तुतस्तु मनुष्यः यदि मनुष्यः इव वर्तते तदा सः दुर्घटनायाः साक्षी भूत्वा त्रिविधं कार्यम् आचरति. Actually, if a man behaves like a man, he performs 3 types of work. Sunit asked to Puneet, Kani tani trividhani karyani? What are those 3 types of work? In these lines, dhvanehi bhayam anubhavanti. In this line, bhayam is the form of Panchami Vibhakti, that is the use of Panchami Vibhakti Prayog. Gatnasthalat is the form of Sasti Tatpurusha and Bhutva is the form of Sabandhak Bhutkrudantam. So here Sunit asked Puneet that what are those 3 types of work? Now next lines, Puneet says, Prathamam karyam dukhanubhutihi. Puneet says, Prathamam karyam, it means the first work is dukhanubhuti, it means experiencing sorrow. So the first work is experiencing sorrow. Manushya eva dukhena dukhito bhavitum arhati. Man alone is able to be sad by sorrow of other person. Sukhena cha sukhitah, and happy by happiness of the other person. Atah durghatnaya pidagrastam dukhitam janam drashtva. So having seen the afflicted and sad, manushyena dukhanubhutihi karniya bhavati. As a result of accident, man should feel sorry. Yah khalu etadrasam jivam pashyan api dukham na anubhavati. Indeed, one who does not experience sorrow in spite of watching such a soul, saha manushyah nasti, is not at all a man. Apitu saha prastarah eva, but he is surely a stone. Yatohi, because prastarah kadapi anyasya dukham na anubhavati. Indeed, a stone never feels the unhappiness of the other person. Sunit says, Yathartham bhavanam ah. You have said the right thing. Mayapi bahudha aparichitam durghatnagrastam janam pashyata dukham anubhutamasti. Even I have often experienced sorrow on seeing unknown person afflicted by the accident. Dvitiyam karyam kim asti? What is the second work? In these lines, Bhavitum is the form of Hetvarth Krudant, Pidagrastam is the form of Tritiya Tatpurush, Karniya is the form of Vidyarth Krudant, and Durghatnagrastam is the form of Tritiya Tatpurusha. Now, next lines, Punitah, Dvitiyam Karyatu Kartavyasya Nirvaha. Puneet says, the second work, of course, is performing the duty. Kartavyasya nirvaha, it means performing the duty. Durghatnagrastah janah sadyah ev aushadhalaya shritah karniyah bhavati yena tasya uchitah upcharah syata. A person afflicted by the accident should be immediately hospitalized so that the right treatment might be given to him. Tatra sangatya, accompanying him there, कदाचित तस्मे रक्तस्य आवश्यकता भवति च एत स्वकीयं रक्तमपि तस्मे दातव्यं भवति. Sometimes, if there is a necessity of giving blood to him, one's own blood should be given to him. तस्य परिवारे सूचना दातव्या भवति येन तस्य परिवारजनः औषधालयम् आगत्य तस्य विशेषः सहायो भवेत्. Information should be given to his family so that his relatives will be of special help coming to the hospital. दुर्घटनायाः साक्षिणः मनुष्यस्य एतादृशं कर्तव्यम्. The duty of a man who witnessed an accident is like this. सर्वे मनुष्यैः अस्य कर्तव्यस्य निर्वाहः करणीयः एव. This duty should be performed by all men. So in these lines, Ausadalaya Shritah is the form of Dvitiya Tatpurush, Sangatya is the form of Sabandhak Bhut Krudantam, and Datavyam is the form of Vidyartha Krudantam. Bhavet is also the form of Vidyartha Krudantam, Anya Purush Ekvachan. Now, next lines, Sunitah, Sunit says, actually Sunit asked to Puneet, Trutiyam Karyam Kim Asti Yat Gatnayaha Sakshi Manushyaha Acharet. What is the third work that the man who is witness of the accident should do? Punitah, Puneet says, Tritiyam karyam asti bodh praptihi. The third work is learning a lesson. Bodh praptihi, it means learning a lesson. Manushyena sadaiva bodh praptye prayatnah karniyo bhavati. An effort to learn the lesson should always be made by man. यदा वयं कस्याश्चित् दुर्घटनायाः साक्षिणः भवामः, when we are witnesses of some accident, तदा कर्तव्यं समाचरन्तः दुःखम् अनुभवन्तः तस्याः दुर्घटनायाः कश्चित् बोधम् अपि प्राप्तुम् अर्हामः. While experiencing sorrow, performing our duty, we can also learn some lesson from that accident. विना कारणं दुर्घटना न भवति. Accident does not occur without some reason. Tatra kasyachit janasya trutihi karanam bhavati. In that the mistake of or fault of someone is the reason. Sa trutihi gnatavya. That fault should be known. Tadantaram tadrashim truti aham na kadapi karishyam iti bodho api praptavya eva. After that, the lesson that I shall never commit such a mistake should also be acquired. Sunitah, Sunit says, Sadhu katitam bhavata. You have said well. Gatnayaha sakshinah santah kartavyam nirvahanto api dukham anubhavanto api yade vayam bodhpatham na prapnumah tada vayam manushyaha na smaha. While witnessing an accident, even performing our duty, feeling sorry also if we do not learn a lesson, we are not human beings. So students, in this chapter we learn that there are mostly three types of witnesses of an accident. First one is non-living things like stones, second one is beasts and birds like cows, and third one is human beings. We know that stones are inanimate, they are non-living, that's why they are not able to do anything by themselves. So they stay as they are when they witness an accident. Now second one is birds and animals. These birds and animals experience fear due to noise arisen by the accident. So they run away from the place of an accident. Now the third one is human beings who has an intelligence. So any man who has an intelligence runs away from the place of an accident, then he is surely a beast only. Because actually if a man behaves like a man, he performs three types of duty, three types of work. First one is experiencing sorrow, second one is performing the duty, and third one is learning a lesson. So durghatna samaye manushyanam trini kartavyani santi. First is dukhanubhuti, second is kartavyasya nirvaha, and third one is bodh praptihi. So with this our 8th chapter, Sakshi Bhutaha Manushyaha, man as a witness, is completed over here. Thank you.